It is time for another resort room review, and this time we are at the Live Aqua Beach Resort in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, and this is the Fuego Suite with a rooftop semi-private swim out pool. As you can see, that it is shared with your neighbors, but the neighbors that are staying in the guest rooms next to you and yourself are the only ones that can access the pool. This is the sitting area. You see, you have a sofa, two chairs, and a table, television, and another seating chair with an ottoman. So, very spacious room. There is a mini bar. Then you have this king size bed, and right in back of the bed is the bathroom. So, there's no door to the bathroom per se. You have two faucets and a long sink that's considered a double sink. You have this spacious shower with two rain shower heads and a handheld. You also have, of course, a water closet. I don't have to explain that because you know what it is. And then you also have a closet area to hang your clothes. The room does come with slippers, flip flops, and a beach bag just for use. The beach bag you cannot take with you unless you want to pay for it. Now, this room has an overhead television. Now, how dope is that? To be able to lay in your bed and look up at the television. Not every Fuego suite has this feature, but some do. And I usually request it for my clients when they stay in this room. Now, this is another view from a Fuego suite room. The earlier view was from a tropical view, and this one is considered a ocean view because if you look afar off, you can see the ocean. And this is the room I request for my clients because it's in the center of the resort. This adults only all inclusive resort is a favorite of my clients. So let's get you booked.